Got the 8.
You're gonna get real oily when you pull the motor in it with them, huh?
It comes off this way. That should come out pretty easy.
Push. There is oil. It sounded bad.
It looked bad.
Like it was crunchy sounded when it came to a stop. Got the OG black car on the lift. See what's wrong with it finally. What'd you find?
There's some goodies right here. A lot. Can you see it on the camera? Yeah, you can see it.
You got a big end of a rod up there.
Mm-hmm.
We got something dingling in here. That looks like a piece of piston.
Yep. Let me hold my phone and start pulling them out.
Big end. What else we got? Here, I'll hold it.
Oh shit.
Probably just pull that starter out and get a good shot of it.
Oh yeah, it's gonna just yeah, it's stuck by the starter.
Yeah, let's just pull the starter out. Whoop. Oh,
The other part of
the other part of the rod.
Yeah.
There's some piston and some ring that fell out. That's not a ring. That's a zip tie.
There's a ring right there that fell out earlier.
Not much left to that. I don't even know if that's piston or not. I thought I saw another piece of rod in there.
Yeah, it's right here. There you go. This one's still stuck in the block. There's another piece of rod.
We'll pull the starter out so you can see that hole.
You ready?
Ready.
It's a 15.
What the fuck kind of starter is that?
I'm gonna read from the book.
15. There you go.
This gun's stronger now.
I think so.
Oh shit, what the fuck is that?
Oh man. There's some things that happen back here. I got one bolt in my transmission.
Oh shit.
This thing was a shaking. The battery's disconnected, so
Okay.
get a good view here.
Okay. Here we go. Now we can see.
What we got there? Piece of rod.
I think that's a crank.
That's the crank?
I think. It looks pretty big. Right? Or a piston?
I think that's a piece of the piston.
It's wedged in there. It's not coming out.
Oh my god.
The crank's unplugged.
Okay. Yeah, what is that? Piston? It's got to be piston. There's no way it's crank. I see the cam and I see some rings up in there. So, there's the problem.
Yep. That's the culprit. Showing the oil pan.
This side, there's some stuff jammed in there.
The bottom of the oil pan.
Bottom's fine. It's just right up in there, right by the filter. Smashed. Damn it, I gotta get a pan now.
So we're working on getting the drivetrain out of this thing.
A little bit torn apart right now. There's a full intake. Curious to see if we find some pistone on the bottom of this.
So this thing finally blew up. How much did you talk about it the other day when y'all?
Just a little bit from underneath, not a whole lot. What is this? Raining?
Is it?
Frank's water.
This wasn't even attached to the car. It was just hanging out. Okay. Chiclets.
I see some aluminum in them.
Oh, there's some debris. Some debris. So we didn't take a whole lot of video. We went to Kentucky for our first LS Fest and really didn't film anything, to be honest.
No, we just kind of enjoyed ourselves. It was a really good time.
But yeah, so the car went an 888, which everyone knows already. Had a blast, great time. Drove there, drove back. Myself, Frank took his white car, and then we took both of Mike's cars. So we took the OG and we took the 1 Series. Good trip, no issues. And then we came back, and then like a week later we had Cletus in cars. So we took the car out there to try to better the record at the time. So when Mike went an 888, that reset the record. He's been going back and forth with Gassan for a while now. The 888 took the record back, and then Gassan went a little quicker. Where'd Mike go? So Gassan went a little faster than that, like an 870 maybe, 860. What did Gassan go?
I think he's going like an 8.
Well, now he's going like an 850 something. But what did he do? So you went 888, and then he went what, like an 8?
Like 860 something. Yeah.
And then we went to Cletus and cars.
Yep.
And
went like a low 9, and then went at 892, and then we hot lapped it real fast because the track was closing, and put another degree in it, and came off the line and let go at like 1,000 foot. Oil under the tires everywhere. Car got real sketchy. It blew up at like 143 miles an hour according to the log. Didn't die, didn't wreck it. Oiled the track down a long way. No, that was the end of the day for that. And here we are.
yeah, she's just been chilling on the trailer since we got back. Still got all the stickers on it and everything, numbers from LS Fest, and so yeah, we've posted the videos of the 8-second pass. Probably would have gone like an 8.6. Mike actually got on the brakes in the pass, but we couldn't get it to go any faster than that afterwards. Of course, I think there's probably better air in Kentucky.
Yeah, I think so. It's 60-footed faster with the 78-75. So it went at 134, I think was the best 60 on the 78-75. The 80-96 went like a 139. I think it went at 139 when it went 888. So if I could have gotten it to leave better, it would have gone faster. And a mile an hour, like 153 later. So it was making more power with the 80-96, definitely. It did its job and made power up top more than the 78-75. But got a little hot, broke a piston, I think. I think we broke a piston, pressurized the crankcase, blew all the damn seals out of the motor. In the data log, you can actually see the oil pressure spiked by the same amount as the boost pressure. So I'm pretty sure it just pressurized the crankcase with boost pressure after it broke a piston, blew all the oil out of it, locked up. 2 rods are gone. There's holes in the block. You'll see once this motor gets out of here. So on to bigger and better things next time. I think this is ready to come out.
Yeah, undo the motor mounts. That's it.
Dipstick is not doing a whole lot.
This car's also getting a cage. It's getting a fully gutted interior. This thing still has all the airbags in it, curtain airbags,
All the AC.
AC, everything was in it. Because this car originally, if you've ever seen posts of it on like the Turbo forums, or where else was this thing?
Post when I first built it.
Yeah, there's one on the E90 forums, back when forums were popular. But when this car was a TR6060, he still had the original BMW compressor on it, trying to make it work. And it was not happy about that. But I think it worked for like a day.
Yeah. Well, no, it worked with the... I eventually put a GM compressor back on this one, but then I took it off.
Just remember it's squealing its ass off with that BMW.
Yeah, I never got it to work right. That's when we just went to the GM stuff. Just controlled it with a regular clutch. It's a lot easier to deal with than the variable displacement BMW pump.
A lot of people have been asking me about the fuel system on this too. And this is it. It was a 6 AN feed, 6 AN return, 2 450s in the tank. That's it. Dash 6. If everybody says you need something bigger than that to make like 800 horsepower, they don't know what they're talking about.
Well, shit, we made
Yeah.
9 something on James's car.
I think you make 1,000 on that, no problem. But you might as well put dash 8 in it to start because it really doesn't cost any more money. So, but dash 6 fits, and then this
car was built before Mike knew anything.
Yeah.
So you can't really judge what you see as we tear it apart.
Yeah.
It is not. Things look much different now.
Oh, we need to pull the crank sensor.
It looked like it was gone.
Okay. I just got the grounds on the head.
I think
15.
I think when that rod exited, it knocked this off. Yeah, it definitely took a hit.
Yeah, there was a giant hole behind the starter.
I guess that's why we couldn't see anything. There's 2 of them, so yeah, this one went through the wall, debris everywhere, and this one's completely gone. So clean everything up, clean up our mess. We're gonna tie all of these airbags together, set them on.
Who's gonna sit on them?
The volunteers. Bruh, I ain't staring at your dick. Was that your swollen nut? God, that's gotta suck. Look at, I just noticed it.
I appreciate you pointing it out. Now it makes it less awkward.
That sucks, dude.
There's nothing wrong with it. It's just, it's like a fluid. No, I get it.
Something wrong with it. I'm no doctor.
It's like a very film through that.
What do you think it's gonna do, Mike?
I don't think it's gonna be very violent at all. Go ahead and hit it. Billy, I don't know how you can shake yourself.